Welcome to Talk with FS, where we make it simple to every trader around the world and where we teach you how to make money on your own without stress. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. God bless you. Whenever you see it, show up. Please, I beg you, wait for momentum. Always wait for momentum. Either you can see, they give me this W, they do like this, and they push. I have seen the momentum because this is a very lower time frame. So now I will now be waiting. See them reply. If I see them reply, okay, how did they reply? I can definitely see this. I can definitely see this. They break the low, and they gave me the second last one, which makes it they have done. So I knew that around this place, there's a possibility that they will do what? That they will buy. Then I will now be observing. If I want to buy, like what I explained to you people, who is the last man standing? This is the man that created this low. This is the man. This buy here, this tiny buy here is the one that pushed this market down. This is where I will now put my assignment. Okay. I believe that this star is a very good star to sell, to buy. He has shown us that you want to buy by creating this thing. Okay, if truly you want to do it, please, by all humility, break this height for me. I'll just go and sit down, gently, be doing my lecture, and I'll be waiting. Look at it. Please, everybody, did they break it or not? They destroy it. Yeah. The moment they destroy it, then I will not look for any pullback and look for my engulfing and trade. If you go and look all my...
They did.
I will go if you go and check all the trade I drop, go and check all the trade I drop and go and come and place it beside all these things I'm explaining. You will see that that is the setup I always see. Then look at it. Everybody look at it. They break. I waited. Let me see an engulfing. They gave me an engulfing here. They didn't give it to me in that day. They didn't give me that day. They didn't give me that day. They didn't give me. See where they gave it to me. That is where I'm going to place my trade. So I'm going to place my trade without any fear in me. What break the fear? Because they destroyed that man with this full force. You can literally call your support, your resistance. They have destroyed it. They gave you an engulfing here. Then push without any fear in you. And this thing that I'm showing you, they are not trade-off that you will be saying that you want to collect 40 pips, 500 pips. They are trade that if you want to move, it will give you nothing less than 2,000 pips. Knowledge is all what we need. Once we can get the knowledge, we will definitely get it right. This is the trade that gave me the balance thing on Friday. Let me show it to you. Look at it. This was the trade. This is the trade. The market gave us this, and I said, okay, this is the previous height that I created on Thursday. Can you destroy it for me, please? And it destroyed that height. And I said, okay, if we can destroy that height, then why not? I should be able to trade. Give me a buy opportunity. Remember the news that came out? That dollar was strong and weak. They drop it here. Boom. When they drop it there, I saw it here. I said, okay, nice one. Nice one. Oh yeah, let me look for any engulfing. And I saw this engulfing. Is it this engulfing? Or there is a particular engulfing that I saw? No, not here. It's on 5 minutes I picked the trade. Let's go to 5 minutes. You understand. I want to show you something. It's very funny. It's very funny. I think, yes, this is where I picked the trade. This is it. Yeah, this is the trade. Let's check. That's the trade. This is the trade. This is where I picked the trade. When they pull back, they created this low. They push, they created this low, and I say, okay, nice one. I've seen what you people have done. They give me this push, they engulf, and I saw this. I said, okay, let me pick my buy here. I pick my buy. When I pick my buy there, they are now going down. They are now going down. I was like, man, these people want to collect my money. Where I place my stop loss, because my stop loss is always tight. And later the market now went from there. Look at it, everybody. Can we see what the market did from here? 2,247. Because I always set 400 pips for my stop loss. I said, is this how they want to hit me and before they go? And they look at the market. The market went. On your 15 minutes time frame, even though on your 5-minute time frame, you can trade it. Now, let me from the lower time frame, let me do accelerate it to the higher time frame. I want to show us how I see opportunities sometimes in the market. Now, look at it. This is the man that created this loop, and they gave me this momentum. When they gave me this momentum on Thursday, they showed me this thing. Everybody remember the news now? They used the news to drop this market. Now, and I said, okay, if that star that they show me there is a rightful star, come and break this place. That's my number one ideology that I always look at. And look at it, they broke that place by giving me this. The moment I see that they broke that place, then I will now look for engulfing. They gave me an engulfing here. Everybody, can we see? Can we see the engulfing? Then I place my trade, put my stop loss below that engulfing, or I would rather even put it where the range and see the market gave me this. Then we enter a new day. When we enter a new day, where is the height they created before the market closed? This is the height they created. I will mark it. That, okay, when they have started going upward, this is the height they created. Let them break that height for me and give me a proper entry support. Now, when they started the new day, instead of them to go and break, they came close, they went down. When they break this place, I said, yes, now that they have destroyed that place, let them give me an engulfing. This was where I picked my first trade for the day. And another thing you will observe, when they wanted to break a particular region, they will break with a full force. They will break with a full force. The moment they break with a full force, I look at it, okay, nice one. They gave us this by breaking this eye. When they break this eye, what happened? I already knew that the strength that these people claim that they have here, the strength that they said that they claim they have here, this strength is a genuine strength. By breaking where the buyers, where the seller created the last low, the man that pushed it, this man, they break it. Then I said, okay, if I want to really even know, destroy this man that they created, the high they created the previous day. Look at it. They obey me by breaking it here. When they obeyed me, I look for an engulfing nest. I don't need to wait for break. If you are saying that you want to wait, let them break another one. Break another one. How many years you want to break? You break, no, they finish you. So just immediately they break the previous day, I said, okay, now give me engulfing. They gave me this. Look at it. They didn't even come down up to how many pips? 127 pips, which is 12 pips. And look at it. They gave me that. I evaluated this man here, the man that created the height. They evaluated the man here. And what is the sin of this man that you people just evaluated the man? Share. I'll begin. See, trading is just like the thing that we do the thing that happen in a normal day is a thing that happen like every normal day activities. Once you can just be patient, then I look at it, okay. Okay, if you people really want me to know that this man still has capacity to go, this is the man, this buy is the one that created the last low. Let me delete everything around there. This man is the one that created this last low. Okay, yeah, you people should come and destroy that man. And look at it. Did they destroy the man or not? After they destroyed this man, they destroyed the man. I can see that they destroyed the man. Immediately, they even give me an engulfing there. Now I remember that was where the market began to shallow me. I placed a trade and I said it should be going. Then the trade, first of all, started giving me money. And the trade was now coming to my stop loss. I said, I've lost this particular one. And look at it. It didn't get to my stop loss. It remained small, tiny to hit my stop loss. And they push, and they push, and they push. Look at it. 2005. If you don't want to use 5 minutes the way I explained, switch to 15 minutes. To 15 minutes. Same formula. Who is the man that pushed this man to the low? This is the man here. Okay, wait for them to destroy that man. Destroy the man. And look at it. After they destroy the man, they break the man, Abby. They came back. Where is the bullish engulfing? Look at it here, sir. This is it. That's why I always love 5 minutes, because 5 minutes would have given me what I need on time. Look at it here. That was the man. And he gave us another how many pips? Let's measure it. 1009. Go to 1 hour. Boom. 1 hour. This is the man that created the low. Push. But this one has not given us anything, but mind you, they have already completed the movement. Level 1, level 2, then this is level 3. I'm expecting a sell. I believe I've been able to convince you that momentum is the key to Forex market. Territory holder. Once you can be able to identify that, you'll be good to go. Then lastly, let me just add these simple things to it. If you are convinced that you don't know what to trade, you can use your moving average to guide yourself. I'm not ashamed to tell you, I use it. And I use this moving average. I can use 20, 50, 200. 20, 50, 200. Once 20, 50, 200 are showing me that they are aligned in the same direction, all I will just look for is, let me look for momentum. I can together here. When they align, where is the man that they broke? They destroyed this man. When they destroyed that man, did they give me an engulfing? Yes, this is the engulfing. Then I pick a buy and put my stop loss below there and see what happened. They gave me nice what? 1,000 pips. Then I will look again. They have broken again. Okay, they all align to the down. Did they break this man? They destroyed this man. After they destroyed this man, they didn't give me any engulfing. I'm not picking trade. They created another loop. They came back here. When they came back here, see the engulfing they gave to me. And look at it. Okay, that's my trade. I'll pick it, then see. Before this thing, they gave me 600. They created another loop there. And see, the following day, they turned the market upward. When they turn the market upward, the 20, 50, all of them have aligned to the upward side. When they have aligned to the upward side, this is where they cross. Okay, if you people really want me to trade, then this is the man they created high. When they cross, you people should destroy that man for me. So still let me know that there is strength. Look at it. They destroyed the man here. After they destroyed the man here, what happened? They gave me an engulfing there. They gave me an engulfing there, and I will pick and I will put my stop loss below. And look at it. 1,000. They even came, they still push it, up. That day, they put it all through. When they created this low, what happened? They came down. When they came down, break this high for me if you really want me to trade. they broke the height and they came here and gave me an engulfing here. Look at it. They came here and they gave me an engulfing here. I'll pick my buy, put my stop loss below that place or extend it down. I use minimum of 400, 400 pips. Look at it. This is how many pips? 1,000 pips. Once the moving average, they have aligned together, what is the height that they used to break that place? This is the height. Oh yeah, break that place and give me an engulfing or pin bar. Those are the things that I just need. And look at it again. They came down here, but the moving average, 20 and 50, did they cross the 200? No, they are still up. Okay, you people should align back. They align back. When they align back, they break this high. That was when they align back. So if I want to be patient, I will say, okay, since this is the new high you people just created, you people should break it for me and give me what I need. And look at it, they break it, they came back to that place, they gave me this engulfing. See where they gave me the engulfing. Boom, look at it. It's not up to the 400 I said I always put. Then they gave me 600 before the news come massively to stomp people out. And still look at it, they still went up. The moment the moving average started doing anyhow, that they are not aligned, don't trade. Wait till they align. Look at it here again. Did they align or not? They align. Okay, this is the height that you people created when you people align. Oh yeah, break that height for me. They break the height and look at the engulfing here. I'm showing you the greatest secret of my winning rate in gold. Everyone bear me witness. So see, this is the 400. And look at it. I told you when you see it, when you spot it, you would definitely go far. Next time you see that they pull back, you know if they see our strength, oh yeah, come and break that place and give me engulfing. Don't be too rushed. Look at it, they break, they move. They came back with full force and they gave me the engulfing here. Now we can talk. I'll do my trade, push it. 17. I will need to go because this is already 10 minutes to 9 I promised. I think every one of us enjoyed ourselves. I've come to the end of today's. So we are going to have another better time to discuss.
Thank you for watching our video. I believe you are blessed and you enjoy yourself. And for you to enjoy more of our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And please make sure you watch the next video for you to have more broad knowledge. Till I come your way, remember.